you own me. Need you for my sanity. Need you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AlexandriaK and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, as you can tell, I'm going to be giving you guys a protective hairstyle lookbook. These are just a few of my favorite hairstyles I like to do when I have a protective hairstyle, whether it be faux locks, Marley twist, Havana twist, box braids, medium or large or small. And along with some of these hairstyles, I just thought it would come in clutch for y'all to have a few tips and tricks when keeping your box braids, because I know some of my naturalistas find it hard keeping protective hairstyles long. So I just have a few tips and tricks that everybody can use, whether you have perm hair, texturized hair, natural hair. This works for everybody from 2B all the way down to 4C. Okay, child? Anyway, so I'm gonna jump right on into the video. I'm gonna stop talking, gonna stop rambling. This is my third take for my intro. At this point, I'm going crazy. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me how you feel, which hairstyle was your favorite. And we're gonna start rambling and jump right on into the video.
Girl, again and again and again, I need a Bahama mama, one who ain't really with the drama. Girl, you know you hotter than the sun, more than a 10, girl, I swear you keep it on, yeah. Girl, you know that you the baddest, yeah. That's probably why they be the maddest, yeah. They be hating and it's tragic, yeah. Got every nigga wishing they could have it. But yes, I needed someone like you to be my lady, someone who can show me that love is true. Can you do that for me, baby? But him, young queen, it ain't much like you. Yeah, yeah. But him, young queen, ain't got nothing on you. And yeah, the baddest girl in the Bahamas. And yeah, please send my blessings to your mama. Yeah, Bahama, mama, mama. I hope we don't fall apart. Girl, you all I got. Come up from my city, man. All you wear is shots, blah. You know they gon' talk. You know they gon' talk. I need a Bahama mama, one who ain't really with the drama. Girl, you know you hotter than the sun, more than a 10, girl, I swear you keep it on, yeah. Girl, you know that you the baddest, yeah. That's probably why they be the maddest, yeah. They be hating and it's tragic, yeah. Got every nigga wishing they could have it. The pretty little brown little tin. I'ma provide all your wishes. I know that I'm on your wish list. The sunshine, give you kisses. You're so fine, it's ridiculous. Whoa, I'ma provide all your wishes. You know that I'm on your wish list. The sunshine, give you kisses. Give you kisses, baby, baby, baby.
That's the hairstyles that I tend to use. You may like some of them, you may not really mess with some. It's fine. I know you found a hairstyle in there that suits you and your taste and that you can run to when you're on to go running errands or going to the mall, going out with your friends, anything, going to church. There's a hairstyle for everybody there. So I really hope you guys enjoyed those hairstyles. Now on to the tips and tricks portion of this video. Now, me personally, I like my box braids to be in. I like to get as much wear out of my box braids as I possibly can before they start looking dusty, crusty, musty, and all that other stuff. All other usties. So this is really simple. Like, people think keeping a protective hairstyle is complicated. It's not. I can assure you of that. This is my holy grail. It's the ultimate organic therapy coconut oil, and it's a stimulating growth oil. Now, there's always two reasons why I put protective hairstyles in my hair. Simply because, one, I want it to grow. Two, I want a new look. So I can get the best of both oils. Okay. Now I can get the best of both worlds with this oil. I get a good hairstyle, plus my hair growing. I'm winning. Me. So this is a stimulating growth oil, and it says that it repairs, strengthens, rejuvenates, and sheens. And personally, this is my holy grail. I'm almost out. Since about, I got this probably 3 weeks after I put my box braids in. And it's been my holy grail ever since. Now, not only do I use this, but bonnet. Now you can get yourself one of those long bonnets that hold all of your box braids in, but I really don't see the reason. I mean, you can get it if you want it, but honestly, the braids itself, they're gonna stay long. It's just this area that everybody tends to worry about, including myself. So this is how I sleep. Of course, I have this pin back away. So a tip or trick I would say is, once you see a box braid start to fag, I don't know what kind of hair you guys use, but before this I use a brand called Connectalon, and then I use this is Expression gel. So what I would do is, when I see my braids start to fag out, I would just boil hot water and heat up some water, put it in the bowl. I just dip my hair and pat it dry, and all of the straggly ends and hairs that you've seen before vanish. And if you have natural hair and it's very, very curly, I know it's almost seemingly impossible to have them in your hair more than 3 or 4 weeks. So what I would suggest you to do, I would suggest you to get the same hot water that you used on your hair and place a towel inside of the steaming hot water, let that get all hot or whatever, and take the hot water, the hot towel, and place it over your roots. Wherever you're gonna wear your hair that day, you just place it on top, and automatically the heat and the steam are gonna relax those baby hairs, relax those roots, and they're gonna be good. Right now I'm gonna insert a video of my new growth since I put in these braids and started using this coconut stimulating oil. And as you can tell, my hair is growing tremendously. I cannot stress this enough. There's nothing like your hair growing and then breaking right after it grows. You have to have strong growing hair. Keep your hair strong, ladies. So honestly, when I'm filming videos, this is actually my go-to hairstyle. Flip it over and loosen it up, and there you go. There you go. There you go. That's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed filming this with you all. It was an amazing time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my videos. Let's get to 100 subscribers, y'all. We are making moves. A lot of y'all watch my videos but aren't subscribed. I'm not sure if you just don't have a YouTube channel or a Google account, but you need to do that. I want to see your comments. I want to see the likes and the subscriptions. There's no reason why I should be getting 100 and something views on my videos and 60% of y'all aren't subscribed. I check my stats all the time on Google. So that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And what video do y'all want to see next? Put it in the comments down below. I'm here to entertain and inspire, so whatever video you want to see, I will get that to you. Just put it down in the comments down below. Don't forget to stay true to who you are and promise yourself to be a better person tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching today's video.
Love me even if it pain you. I know I be difficult.